True. We have just arrived at the Trollvo winner's house. Sash here, about an hour away from the factory, so it's a bit of a cruise. And super excited to see his reaction. And apparently he's got some pretty cool cars of his own, so let's go check it out. G'day mate, Sash, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good thanks. So we finally made it.
Yeah, I still can't believe I got it. You got to be in it to win it, yeah? A lot of people say, nah, it's, not true, you can win, but you can't win. But what's the chances of winning a Volvo? That's the thing.
It's very funny.
I own a Volvo and I won a Volvo.
It's actually a funny story because the weekend before drawing it, one of the team members threw up a photo in the chat of your car. So it was like, because we were all in the Volvo mindset, and I think you had it down at one of the shows. One of the local car meets or something.
The Unmarked?
Yeah, that's the one.
Unmarked, yeah.
And,
good show.
So he threw up some photos and like, true, that's a spicy Volvo. And then what do you know? On the draw day, your name comes up.
It's for the boys anyway. They can do whatever they
boys.
want. That's for them.
Nice.
I've got plenty of projects. I can show you my one, but yeah, I've got
we'll come have a look. We'll rip it off the trailer.
Yeah,
we'll give you a little rundown.
Yeah.
Take it for a test drive, whatever you want to do, mate. And then, yeah.
It's gonna wake up the whole shred here. I thought mine's loud, but fucking hell. Next level.
She is. The magic.
What a setup, man. It's like not one headache, you get two headaches.
Yeah, 100%.
That's what it looks like, two headaches.
Two headaches for the price. RX-8 engines, obviously. So they got 6 exhaust ports on the RX-8 ones. Did the stepped headers to give it that nice sound. Yeah, independent throttles, the EFI hardware. Yeah, she's got all the Raceworks reservoirs and catch cans.
Yep, he's done it.
It only made like 200 and something horsepower, I think. Like 250 or 300, I can't remember. It was pretty low. I have a feeling when we started doing the last dyno session, we started losing comp a little bit in the back motor. It used to sound really four rotor like. It started sounding more and more two rotor. I have a feeling that's something to do with the back engine that we kept on smacking limiter and anti-lag. It's got little buttons I'll show you on the keypad.
Yeah.
And I reckon, so the front motor, it kept on popping the little seal for the shaft. Kept on popping that out, so it was leaking a bit of oil on the front. That's why the
rag's there? Or?
Yeah, pretty much. But yeah, so I reckon, with the freshened up, either freshen them both up or just freshen the rear one up, it'd love life again and probably make a fair bit more power, and she'd sing. Or you can just keep it as is, make this into a plenum, and then turbo it, and it'll make real good power. And you probably wouldn't even have to worry about the compression. That'll sort the compression out. The Haltech keypad, so at start, you just hold it for starting.
Yep.
This engine pump one is actually the power steering, so it's got electric power steering.
Yep.
So the Astra pump in the back with the reservoir. This is the rotational idle. Changes it from a consistent idle when it's warm to a more brappy.
Oh, yeah, so you got 3 different settings or something?
It's just 2.
Oh,
just
2?
On and off. The anti-lag, so you just hold that and rev it to get your pops and bangs.
Like a 2-step or something?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You just got to hold that button, do you?
Yeah, you just got to hold it. Turning signals for when you're
indicating
taking it to the shops.
Go through drive-through Macca's?
and your hazards.
Yeah.
We've got the Tilton pedal box. I think they're relocated to the inside to fill them up in the engine bay. Underneath you got your PWR engine, oil coolers. Yeah, that's about it.
So have you used the drifting?
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah, it does the job.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a handful. It could do with some lock adjustments.
Yeah.
Like it hasn't got any extra lock added, so like hasn't been cut and shut, or there's ones you can buy on the internet and stuff. But that's kind of the point it got to.
Interesting motor. Very interesting motor.
So what do you reckon you're gonna do with this?
Which one? This one? You know what, it's up to them.
Yeah.
It's up to them.
Oh, we get 1 rotor each, and I've got people 2 as well, so I got a 2-door.
Sure.
I want to put one of those in that, or a RB something.
Yeah, no. So you're thinking about parting it? There's a lot of good parts in it.
You start pumping money into it, fuck, where do you stop, you know?
Pretty much.
That's cars you should know too.
You don't stop.
That's it.
So show us what you got, mate.
Well, this is the beast.
G42 or is that bigger? G55?
45, GTX 45, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
It's on about 18 pound, 760 kilowatt.
And what's onto the motor? Obviously LS2, yeah.
With LS3 heads on it.
Anything done internally?
Pistons and rods and bigger valves, and that's it. Still standard computer.
Yeah,
That's why everyone buzzes out. Still running a standard computer and doing A5.
They are fully tunable, so there's no reason it just doesn't have the same safety.
The car works good for 235 too. Small tyre.
Yeah, it gets it done. How much does it weigh? Have you ever weighed it?
With the cage and parachute, it's about just over about 1400.
Yeah, very nice. Very cleanly done too. I like it.
That's
True that you got your plumb back if you ever wanted to.
engineering.
Yeah,
plumb it back,
true. Engineered and all.
Yeah. I'll start off for you. You can hear this one too.
Yeah.
That's inside. You can open the door inside. It's supposed to be just a daily slap up, but it went next level. To a 409 inch.
Yep.
Full link RSN.
Yep. Oh, you got electric pump as well?
Astra pump, yeah.
Yep.
It needs it. It's good. I like a clean engine bay.
Yeah.
E85 for you. That thing's loud, man.
We've got do you see it in the side? We've got the little addition for you. So if you want to keep her quiet for the neighbours, a little bonus muffler.
So where do you put that?
So it goes on.
Sticking out that way?
Yeah. You can run it as a snorkel if you want. But then it just bolts on, so it keeps it quiet for the startups here and there and moving it around or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm interested to see what you guys do with it.
They can sit down and work it out now, the boys.
I remember you mentioned that you came down to the factory hangs as well? Or
you had a car show or something. We came to my wife's car, I think it was.
Yeah, nice.
We usually go to these cars. It's good to go, you know?
Yeah, of course. I'm keen to see. You have to try to take it out for one of our school days.
Yeah, I'll find out when you got a school day. We'll go give it a shot.
Yeah.
Send it, that's it.
Yeah, give it a rip. Yeah, like I said, the only thing I'd look at doing would be knuckles, because you hit that lock pretty quick.
Does it?
And being so long, it just wants to spin out on you. Well, Haltech can't go wrong. Nexus.
That's what just put in 33.
Yeah, every car needs a Haltech.
Yeah.
You don't want to move it in any spot, or do you want to?
No, it's alright, definitely.
You don't want to take it for a drive, mate?
Nah.
Not game.
No, not here. I'm good with the neighbours. You're gonna make me bad with the neighbours.
Alright, I'm gonna get out of your hair.
No worries.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
Congrats. See you, boys.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Thank you.
Handshakes all around. Alright, there you go. Handover done. Another handover. Add to the list of 160 winners. Super excited to see what Sash does with it. Also feel a little bit bad because I know how full on that car is, like, you know, as an overall thing. It's not our usual giveaway being a full track, like everything kind of custom, this and that. So it's not your every person's type car, but at the same time, I'm glad he's a car person, knows his way around a Volvo, so I'm sure he'll figure out, or his sons will have a cool project on their hands, or a couple of motors, or some really cool parts ready to put in their cars. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. We've got plenty of cool stuff coming up your way, so we'll see you then.